Hello and welcome to our channel. Please like and subscribe our channel. Today we are going to see how we can install Ubuntu 26.04 LTS, and this is the daily build version. So we are going to install the daily build of Ubuntu 26.04 LTS, which is this URL, and you will get the link to download the ISO. So this is the ISO. This is the ISO which you need to download. So I have already downloaded it, and the ISO file is here. Now open the Oracle VirtualBox and click on New. So I am going to make it as 10 GB. *5 and 10240. CPU I am giving 4, and hard disk is around 100 GB. Click finish. Now go to the settings and select this Ubuntu 26.04 LTS and go to the settings and go to the storage and then select the disk. Choose from disk file, and this is Resolute Desktop AMD 64 ISO. Click open and then click OK. Now click start. So try or install Ubuntu. This is the Ubuntu installer. Let's wait. This is the nice logo or the nice desktop of Ubuntu. Click next, 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 update now. So this is downloading the installer update, and we will be using the updated installer, and close installer, and here it is mounted. Double click. Click next, 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 next. Interactive installer, default selection. Install third-party software, download and install support for additional media formats. Click next. Click next. So you have the option to encrypt your hard disk. So I'll go with the no encryption. Click next. India. Click next and install. Now the Ubuntu 26.04 LTS is being installed, and you can see, click here and you will be able to see the files being copied. Developed with the best of the open source, so it has got Visual Studio and other IDEs for development of programs. I'll pause the video and come back again once it is installed. Ubuntu 26.04 is installed, and now click on restart now. Press enter. So this is the nice desktop of Ubuntu 24.04. Next, 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 finish. Firefox is installed by default. These are the different apps. The sources app, let's run the terminal. It is updating the system. Now we need to install the guest edition. So this is already open it and then so it must be installed in the administrative privileges sudo pzip2 not installed. Now it is installing. bzip2 is installed. Now try to run it. Now virtual guest editions installer is running. So it's installed successfully. Exit, exit. Now we are going to share the clipboard. and the drag and drop bidirectional. So we are done, and we have the Ubuntu 26.04 installed here. Thanks for watching the video and subscribe our channel for more tutorials and videos.